Hey man, it's Demonage. I'm here with my main man, Life with Silver. Make sure you go to his channel, subscribe, share, and like. Come on, man. You know what we doing. Life with Silver.
My man, Life with Sylvia, man. Make sure y'all tune into his channel, man. Get with the program, alright? Got that lit content for y'all, man. Don't skip the ads. Make sure you watch the whole video. Let's go, man.
It's your boy CJ on 32. Out here with my dog, Life with Silver, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. Turn on all them post notifications, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, what up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today, nothing major, man. Just getting Daredevil cleaned up back there. A little deep mobile detailing by my partner Q. Yeah, that's it, man. That's all we doing today. I got some other stuff coming. I might be putting this video up before I do my other one I got for my lighting trims, my lights, man. I'm still a little sad about that, but y'all can see that coming up. So, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all my boy Q do his thing on this car, man. Boy, I had to get official, bro. I said I had to get official. I had to give me a little camera holders, a little light. I had to get official, like. Nah, for real, bro. Shit, it don't hurt to start, man. I need to do it for my TV mounting business, man. I be mounting up the TVs and stuff. I need to start me one of them things. My boy gonna get me right like usual. Bro, where you be at, man? Tell him where you be at. So you want to plug your information?
Facebook, Lunchray Keet, K-E-E-T, with an apostrophe in, Lunchray with the M-O-E-T-R-E-Y.
I'm gonna put his information down in the comment section or in the description, man. Y'all holler at my boy. Yeah, I'm gonna put his Facebook in the description, man. Y'all let him know I sent y'all, man. So we didn't even get him. Yeah, man, started with the soul. Nah, the kids, man, changing life for real. This shit here, man, was with Kiana in mind, man. That's why I incorporated some more on this channel. Oh yeah, that's the business truck right there. My man got the Beamer too. Don't let him. My man got the Beamer right back there. Told y'all, man, got my shit shiny. Look at it. Got that.
Even when it's dry.
Got that thing shiny, man. Hey, man, if y'all don't already, man, follow that boy on Instagram right there, Daredevil_RT. And y'all already know what it is. YouTube, Life with Silver, man. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Get the inside done too. Not too bad, man. Can't wait on my mats to get here. y'all what it look like when you get done though. Boy got that inside ready. Boy got that inside ready. We ain't done though, but just a little progress, man. Check him out, man. Boy got that inside right. Check him out, man. Check that boy out, man. He hit everything. Here. He hit everything, man. My boy is the truth when I
Good old speech.
yeah. I tell y'all, man, my boy is the truth, man. Hey, y'all holla at my boy, man. I'm gonna put his information in the description section, man. Holla at your boy, real talk. I got clothes everywhere, man. But yeah, check your boy out, man. We gonna give y'all the whole look of it. Look how glossy your boy paint look. Yeah, real talk. Anytime nigga burn some rubber or something, I go holler at my boy right there, man. He get me right. That's what we do, man. Now I'm about to go blow the fender off his BMW though.
Hey, man, I'm ready, man.
About to blow the fenders off the BMW right there. Yeah, man. Hey, y'all get that Instagram, get that YouTube. Here you go, subscribe. My YouTube coming soon. Applying pressure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm motivated. This bitch right.